where the desert breathes and never dies. I walked where shadows crowned the flame, and time forgot my ancient name. Hear the echoes through the storm. Every king stands not alone. I am the crown of sand and stars, a broken god behind these scars. Through the Nile my voice will run. I rise again, I am the sun. She danced in like the queen of air, with galaxies inside her stare. Her voice like wind across the throne. She ruled the night I called my own. Feel the fire, feel the tide. We are more than what has died. We are the crown of sand and stars, two lost souls from distant wars. Through the ages we become the endless beat, the sacred drum. Ashes fall, but we remain in every breath, in every grain. Time will bend, but not